So in order for joins to make sense, we need to add another entry into the films table. So let's go ahead and do that. I have here a single entry that I will copy and paste right now. So I am simply going back into the films table and entering the Mystical Adventures movie. So let me go ahead and hit enter. And then if we do select all from films, we can see that the Mystical Adventures is now added at the very bottom. So now we have 21. So now let me copy the left join query that we want to do here. And now it's going to look very similar to the inner join, where we're taking the film ID from the films table, the title from the films table, and the actor name from the actors table. Again, we're adding the aliases here with the letter F for the films table. We're left joining the film actors table again, using that as the bridge. It's essentially going to be the same query. But if we were to hit enter on this right now, you can see that we still do have the table filled out properly and formatted properly, but we have Mystical Adventures, but with no actor. So the thing with left joins is even if there is a null value or it's missing a value, the result table will still show even if there isn't an exact match. Now, if we were to go back up to the query where we do the inner join, after we've now added the new movie, we can see that it doesn't show up. So inner join, if there is a null value and the condition isn't fully met, we will not see that in the result table. So for the result table, you see that we only have 20 entries as opposed to the left join where we have the 21, but we just have a missing actor. So to now show that this is actually true, we're going to insert a new actor as well as the new actor IDs to populate the movie. So the movie we added was a fictional movie. So let's go ahead and add the actor's name. So we're going to add Jane Doe and John Smith. And we're also going to add the film actors as well. So 21 and 22. So if we were to run our left join command again, we're going to see that Mystical Adventures actually does populate now. But we're going to see that the Mystical Adventures actually does populate now with the actor name. So this kind of just proves that no matter what, left joins will always show the result table even if the conditions aren't met and there is a null value.